8.5, constructing circumscribed and inscribed circles of triangles. We're first going to start with circumscribed. And circumscribed is when you construct it around the outside of a figure. So if you look at our figure over here, we're dealing with the triangle. And we're going to use triangles. You could also do this with quadrilaterals or pentagons or anything like that. But specifically, if I'm looking at my triangle, do you notice that we've constructed the circle outside of the triangle, and then it goes through all three vertices? That's what we're going to try to do here. Now, once again, in order to do that, we're going to use GeoGebra. So pull up your GeoGebra, and the first thing we need to start is we need a triangle. If we kind of scroll down a little bit and we grab under our lines our segment, I'm going to do A to B, then B to C, and then C to A. This is our triangle, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to construct a circle that goes around the outside of our triangle that hits all three vertices A, B, and C. Now, in order to do that, we're actually going to cheat a little bit, because earlier in this triangle we learned how to construct a perpendicular bisector. And in here, GeoGebra will actually do that for you. So under construct, we're going to grab perpendicular bisector. And I want the perpendicular bisector of A to B. And notice it constructs a perpendicular line, meaning it's hitting at a 90-degree angle, and it's cutting AB in half. Now, I also need a perpendicular bisector of one of the other sides. It can either be BC or AC. It does not matter. I'm going to go from A to B. So notice that that is perpendicular here, 90 degrees, and then it cuts BC in half. At this point, we're going to go find our intersect tool, and we're going to mark the intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors. Then we're going to find under circles our circle with a center. The center of our circle is going to be point D, and then you're going to pull that out to one of the vertices, either A, B, or C. I'm going to pull it up to B, and notice that we just constructed our circumscribed circle. It goes around the outside of our triangle, and it hits A, B, and C. If you go grab your move tool, you can move any of the vertices, and your circle moves along with it.